Articles.
I want to eat an apple for breakfast.
I don't have apples. You can have a banana instead.
Can you make a glass of banana shake for me? Pour it in the glass gifted by my friends.
Would you like to have an omelette also?
No, I'm getting late for college. I have a presentation today.
That is why you were studying the whole night yesterday? Best of luck. In the dialogues, the boy and the mother have used words that give information about the nouns that follow and make it clear whether something general or specific is being mentioned. The words a, and the are examples of articles. Here are some examples of the use of articles. I want to eat an apple for breakfast. You can have a banana instead. Can you make a glass of banana shake for me? Pour it in the glass gifted by my friends. Would you like to have an omelette also? I have a presentation today. That is why you were studying the whole night yesterday. Definition. An article precedes a noun in a sentence and tells us something about the noun, that is, whether the noun is something particular or not. Article A is used for something that is singular and not specific. It is used with consonants. Article an is also used with something that is singular and not specific, but can be used only with vowels. Article the is used with something that is definite and specific. It can be used with both singular and plural. It can be used with both vowels and consonants. Let us look at a few sentences. Sumant is going to the temple. Gautam is carrying an umbrella because it is raining. Nina has just bought a book for herself. In the first sentence, the is an article and it refers to a particular temple. In the next sentence, an is an article and refers to any single umbrella. In the third sentence, a is an article and refers to a single book which is not specific. Few more examples of the use of a, and the are: I bought an almirah for my clothes. My friend gifted me a mobile phone on my birthday. The house next to mine has a beautiful garden.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.